Hello YouTubers, this is onza04 and Gizmo, bringing you a Leatherman review. Specifically the Style PS 831488. Just wanted to show you the size, some features, and what it's notably made for. One thing I'll show you is a standard old flash drive, 8 gig flash drive compared, sit side by side next to the multi-tool. Very, very similar in size. The weight, not quite the same, but very similar in size. So let's go over some of the standard features. It's got a little locking mechanisms and it's spring activated, or assisted, I guess you'd say. It has a carabiner with the bottle opener at the end, lanyard hole. It's got the little tweezers in the side as well. Nice and sharp, if you can see that. I don't know if you can. There. And I'll close this back up. Show you the scissors. You pop right out. Nice strong spring, or I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm just saying spring because that's what it feels like. And then a file. Very small, very compact. I can see this being used as like a fishing tool for sure. I'm not sure about rust resistance, but I would keep this well oiled just to make sure. And the other notable thing is it is Tsa Approved. So if you have this, you can carry this on, and they won't give you grief about it. You'd have to double check on that. Don't quote me, but I read a review and saw that people are saying that you can bring this on an airplane and not get too much flack for it. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this little mini review. Subscribe and post comments below. Thank you.